Hi everyone! Today I will make a kimchijeon. Jeon is a kind of pancake of Korea. These are ingredients of kimchijeon. These are ingredients of kimchijeon. Of course, we need kimchi, some kimchi, and chili powder. And this chili is a very spicy chili. It's a very famous part of Korean place is Cheongyang. So we call Cheongyang chili. And this is spring onion, some ham, an egg, this one, juice of kimchi. And we need this pancake mixture. But if you don't have this mixture, you use flour. Of course, you can do it. And some water. First, I will put flour and water together. It's a very important thing is if you put a cup of pancake mixture, I will tell from now on, jeon mixture, okay? And this same amount of water put together. So a cup of water. And mix it. But don't stir quickly. And not too many times. It's not good to make jeon crispy. So little time and just mix together. And then you put some juice of kimchi. Okay, and some spoon of chili powder because the color of jeon more red and look good. So put some more chili powder. And these are main ingredients kimchi. So I brought this one from my mom because before winter we have a special event Kimjang. Kimjang is a lot of kimchi made together before winter. So usually family gatherings happening because we have a lot of work to do. So this Kimjang is, and also we have a refrigerator for kimchi. So because it tastes different. So I will cut the kimchi here and chop it. And put it. Okay. And then I will cut this ham. Sometimes we put squeeze in the kimchijeon, or you can use bacon or meat. But today I will use ham. Put inside. Okay, and some spring onion. Inside together. And next, I told you this one is very spicy chili. We call Cheongyang gochu. I love it. And then an egg. Break an egg. An egg. And you put all ingredients all together and mix it. Now I think I will put some more chili powder because yummy looking. So more chili powder. Now this is all ready to cook. So now I will show you how to make jeon. So high temperature and you pour cooking oil and now can you see the ingredients? It's mixed together with kimchi. Usually we eat kimchi with Korean wine, rice wine. I think it's ready. So I put on the plate. I'll show you one more time. I put this Kimchijeon. Usually we Korean people make jeon when special day like Chuseok or and New Year's Day. So they meet all together and prepare this jeon. Not only kimchijeon, they make meat jeon and some fishy jeon. Now it's time to turn over. Usually I make a more bigger size. Okay, I think it's ready. Now, next plate. Okay, now it's ready. Kimchijeon. Oh, I forgot to bring Korean wine. Here is a Korean rice wine together, it tastes much better. If you have, you can find any kimchi, and maybe you can try it. Inside the vegetable is anything is okay. You can mix it together with the kimchi and fried. Just before I show you, and you fried it on the pan, and then eat it with your wine is okay. Grape wine is okay, and your any drink is okay. So it is good to eat. When you eat kimchi, you need some sauce. So I will make a sauce. I will show you. And first you need some. This one is a soy sauce, as you know. Some soy sauce. Some people put vinegar or I will put some plum syrup, and then with sesame seeds, and sometimes we put sesame oil together. Okay, and you can eat. When you eat, you dip in the sauce and you eat. And that's it. This is the kimchijeon. Bye.